Hi, my name is Jennifer Fenninger, and welcome to Strands Luxe. The wait is over for those of you suffering with frontal fibrosing scarring alopecia. My patent-pending product, Strands Luxe, is the perfect answer for you that allows you to only have to wear hair where you need. No more hats, scarves, or full wigs covering your whole head when all you need is something in the front. Strands Luxe pieces are made with the highest quality European natural human hair so that you can wear it in a ponytail, tuck it behind your ear, or just leave it be. Seamlessly, it blends into your own hair. You can face forward and live life again, not hiding behind your diagnosis. I can also partner with the salon that you're used to working with and trust, so that Strands Luxe is available for where you need it to be. People won't know what is different, they just think you look great.